If you're looking for a security camera in 2026, don't just look at resolution. The best cameras now combine high-quality video, AI tracking, wide coverage, solar power, and local storage. But which one is actually worth buying? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best security cameras of 2026, from a powerful triple lens camera to complete 6-camera solar security systems. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Reolink OMVI 3i Wi-Fi. The Reolink OMVI 3i Wi-Fi is one of the most impressive single-camera options on our list. It combines a 10-megapixel panoramic camera with an 8-megapixel 4K camera, giving you both a wide view and detailed footage. The panoramic camera offers up to 180-degree coverage, while the second camera gives you a more focused view of important areas. It also features Wi-Fi 6, color and infrared night vision, two-way audio, and support for micro SD storage. The biggest advantage here is coverage. Instead of installing multiple cameras just to watch different angles, the OMVI 3i can monitor a very large area from one location. Pros: 10 megapixel plus 8 megapixel dual camera system, 4K video, 180-degree panoramic coverage, excellent night vision, Wi-Fi 6, two-way audio, large local storage support. Cons: requires wired power, larger than a basic security camera, more advanced than some users may need. Overall, the OMVI 3i is my top choice for high-resolution single-camera security. Number 2. aosu D1 Classic 4Cam Kit. Instead of one camera, you get 4 wireless outdoor cameras, making this a great option for monitoring multiple areas around your home. The cameras offer 2K video, 360-degree coverage, smart tracking, and solar charging. The solar-powered design is particularly useful because you don't need to run traditional power cables to every camera. You can place the cameras around your front door, driveway, backyard, garage, or other important areas. The system also supports local storage through the aosu base, so you don't necessarily need to depend on a monthly cloud subscription. Pros: 4-camera system, wireless installation, solar-powered, 2K video, 360-degree coverage, smart tracking, local storage, great whole property coverage. Cons: not 4K, solar performance depends on sunlight, more installation work than a single camera. Overall, this is a great choice if you want an affordable and practical solar-powered security system for multiple areas. Number 3. eufy Security eufyCam S340. This system gives you 4 cameras with 360-degree pan and tilt functionality and AI-powered tracking. The cameras record in 2K resolution and offer color night vision with a built-in spotlight. They also use detachable solar panels, giving you more flexibility when positioning the cameras and panels. The AI system can help detect people, vehicles, and pets, while local storage gives you another option besides cloud storage. The biggest advantage of the S340 is the combination of smart tracking and whole property coverage. Pros: 4 cameras, 360-degree tracking, pan and tilt, 2K video, color night vision, solar charging, AI detection, local storage. Cons: not 4K, no 24/7 continuous recording, requires more equipment than a single camera setup. If you want smart AI features combined with 4-camera coverage, the eufyCam S340 is an excellent choice. Number 4. eufy Security SoloCam S340. This is another single-camera solution, but don't let its compact design fool you. The S340 uses dual cameras, combining a 3K wide-angle lens with a 2K telephoto lens. It also offers 360-degree pan and tilt, automatic tracking, and up to 8x hybrid zoom. And because it's solar-powered, you can install it outdoors without constantly worrying about charging the battery. The camera also includes AI detection, two-way audio, a spotlight, and built-in local storage. This makes it a particularly good choice for monitoring areas such as a driveway, backyard, porch, or entrance. Pros: dual lens design, 3K and 2K cameras, up to 8x hybrid zoom, 360-degree coverage, automatic tracking, solar-powered, AI detection, local storage. Cons: only one physical camera, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, not designed for 24/7 continuous recording. If you want one smart camera that can cover a large area, the SoloCam S340 is one of the best options. Number 5. aosu D1 Max 6-Cam Kit. If you have a large property and need maximum coverage, this is the system to look at. You get 6 wireless solar-powered cameras, and they offer 4K Ultra HD video along with 360-degree coverage and smart tracking. The system also includes AI vehicle monitoring, customizable activity zones, and cross-camera tracking. With 6 cameras, you can cover areas such as your front yard, backyard, driveway, garage, side entrances, and other vulnerable locations. The solar-powered design also means you don't need traditional power cables running to every camera. Pros: 6-camera system, 4K Ultra HD, solar-powered, wireless outdoor cameras, 360-degree coverage, smart tracking, AI detection, local storage, cross-camera tracking, local storage. Cons: more expensive, more complicated installation, requires sufficient sunlight, probably overkill for smaller homes. Overall, the aosu D1 Max is a great choice for large properties where maximum coverage is more important than simplicity. So, which security camera should you buy? If you want the best high-resolution single camera, go with the Reolink OMVI 3i. If you want a balanced 4-camera solar system, the aosu D1 Classic is a great option. If you want AI tracking and smart whole home coverage, consider the eufyCam C37. For a single solar-powered camera with dual lenses and 360-degree coverage, the eufy SoloCam S340 is an excellent choice. And if you have a large property and want 6 4K cameras, the aosu D1 Max is the system to consider. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.